Hi everyone and welcome. Here we have House of Marley Get Together 2XL speaker, and today I will show you how to pair it with our iPhone device. Let's get started. Firstly, you have to power up our device with this button over there. Now it's in pairing mode. We have to scroll down to a control panel on our iPhone, click on this mini folder, hold our finger on Bluetooth, Bluetooth settings. Now, as you can see there in other devices is Get Together 2XL. We have to click on it. And as you can see, we're now connected with our speaker. That's it for today. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe for more these days of videos. Goodbye.